Hey everyone, we're going to look at our emails today. Throughout the year you've been sending me emails, receiving emails from me, uploading attachments and downloading stuff as we've went along. So really what we're going to do today is just look at how to show through print screens the evidence that you're able to do all these, okay? So I'll send you out your email booklet, a blank email booklet, along with the link to this video. So you need to open up your student emails, and I have one opened here and I've just a test box done for me, okay? So open up your student emails and open up the email booklet. Starts off, first one is open your mailbox and reply to an email. So when you're doing these, you have to do them professionally, as if you were replying to an employer or to maybe a management or someone like that, okay? So first thing is, I want you to find an email that I have sent you. Probably one of the best ones to look for is, I've sent you all out a spreadsheet lesson, maybe the week before we had finished up or 2 weeks before. So have a look in your inbox for emails from me. Make sure that it has a title on it. So here's one here, spreadsheet lessons, functions and graphs. So you're going to reply to me. Now, when I send these out, I send them out to all my students at once. So if you click on these double arrows, reply to all, what that will do is reply to every single student that's on that list. So what you need to do is reply just to me. So you're going for the arrow here, which is just reply. You'll know it's done right because when you open it up, it'll just say to, and it will only be me. If you click on reply to all, it will be every single student that was on my original list. Their names will all come up here. So reply to a message that I have sent. So start off with a greeting. So hi Sharon, comma, press your return key twice. Again, use capital letters, etc., punctuation. Thanks. I will save the document into the correct folder. Full stop. Press your return key twice or your enter key and then write your name. Now do not click on send. Take a print screen of that. It's the same way we've done for our research, etc. So take a print screen, and at the very end I'll show you how to print screen if you're using a laptop. If it's like mine, what I need to do is down on the bottom section of my keyboard there's an FN button. Stands for function. So hold the FN button, and up in the top right hand corner of my screen or of my keyboard there's a button that has print screen wrote in very small words. So when I hold the function and hit the print screen button, that's the same as we have been doing in school. It basically takes a print screen off it. Sorry. And then once you take your print screen, go over to Microsoft Word and paste it into the first box. And that's the first one done. Moving on to the second one, show evidence of a deleted items or deleted email. So go back over to your inbox. Sorry, you don't need to send me these emails once they're finished. Once you've took your print screen, you can simply discard it. So I can go down here to the bottom and click on discard. Do you want to get rid of this? Okay. Now, second one is I want to show that I can do deleted messages. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm in my inbox. So make sure that you click on your inbox and your inbox is up here. Look for a message that you're going to be able to delete. So I've kind of put any of these I can delete. So scroll down to a message that you can delete. Take a print screen of what you're currently looking at in your inbox. Now make sure that the message you're going to delete is on that print screen. Paste it into the delete box. Go back over to your email. Now point at the delete button. Take a print screen again so that we can see that you know where the delete button is. Paste it underneath the one you're after putting in. Go back over, delete it off. So click on the delete button, go to your deleted items over here on the left hand side and take a print screen to show that it's now in the deleted items. Okay, so you should have 3 print screens for that one. So your inbox, evidence that you know where the delete is, and then evidence to show that it's now in your deleted items. Next one is create a formal email. So insert a subject, title and a message. So I'm going back over and I'm going to go to my inbox again. Now I'm going to create a new message. So I'm going up to the new message button up here in the top left hand corner. So I'm going to send it, you're going to send it to me. So you're putting in my email, FITZPATRICS@src.ac.uk. And if it comes up, you can just click at it. Add a subject. So your subject might be completed spreadsheet. Now, you're going to put in a message to me. So, hi Sharon, please find attached a copy of my completed spreadsheet. Regards, or thanks, whatever you want. Sign your name. Now we're going to do 2 different boxes with this. So I'm going to attach the document that I've talked about here. So I'm going to browse my computer and then I'm going to attach my spreadsheet. So make sure that you have a document somewhere on your PC that you can attach to me. Even rename it to spreadsheets or something appropriate. So I'm going to go into where I have my work saved and I'm going to attach a document. Okay. Now, obviously, this here is called student guide. So really what I should have in here is student guide. Please find and attach a copy of my student guide. Okay. So make sure that your email is appropriate to the document that you're attaching. Now, take a print screen of what you've just composed there. So print screen. So I've put in a subject, I've put in who it's to, I've attached and I've put in a properly structured email. Going over to my document, create a formal email, going to paste that in there. So there's my formal email. Now I'm going to scroll on down my booklet, down to the level 2 section, add an attachment, and I'm going to paste that in there as well because it shows clearly I can add an attachment. Okay, so I've covered 2 different criteria within that one email. Now I'm going back over and I'm going to discard that because I don't really want to send it. So, okay. Now, next one is show how you can open an attachment. So I'm going over here again, get an email that I have sent you with an attachment. Now, your attachment is over here. So if you click on the wee arrows here, so I'm going to go to the download arrow, click on it once. Now on the bottom of my screen, it's giving me 2 options here. So I can have the option to open or save. So I'm going to point at the option to open, take a print screen. When I'm pointed at that option to open, paste it in. Come back over, going to click on open. Sorry, I'm just giving it a wee second. Okay, unfortunately mine has just crashed. So your document should open and then you will paste it in just beneath here, okay? So you should have your opened up document and paste it in here. Now, sorry, if you bear with me just to reopen this, the joys of working from home. Okay, so next one then is use an address book by adding contacts. So again, we're going to cover a few different of these emails or these criteria in one. So I'm going to do an address book. So I'm going back over to my email. I'm going down here along the very bottom. You have 4 wee icons. One of them is the mail and envelope. One of them is a calendar, and one of them is 2 wee people. So if you click on the 2 wee people, what that does, it brings you into your contacts. Okay, so it's like a wee address book where you can set up frequently people that you would use all the time. So I'm going to start off, take a print screen of me blank contacts. Doesn't matter if you use some people in it, that's fine. Take a print screen of it. Now scroll to the very last box in the booklet, maintain an address book, and paste that in there. Okay. Now go back over and you're going to add a new contact. So I'm going up to the blue box up here on the top left hand corner, new contact. So add in, you can add in me. So first name Sharon Fitzpatrick. Now put in my email address. So email address for college staff is their surname, all in small, followed by the first letter of their first name. So Fitzpatrick S at src.ac.uk, company SRC, and then create. Okay, so I have added in there my name to my contacts. Okay, obviously I have quite a few contacts already created with all the different groups. So once you add in your contact, take a print screen and paste it underneath it. And then go back and add in maybe another 1 or 2 of your lectures there and take another print screen. Okay, so I want to see your blank contacts, or if you have a couple in it, that's fine. Then I want to see where you've added one more person, and then after that I want to see another print screen where you've added maybe another 2 lectures. Okay, now so done that one, maintain address book. I'm going to scroll back up now to this one here, use an address book by adding contacts. So I'm going back down to the mail button down in the very bottom left hand corner of the screen, click on mail. So what that does, it brings you back into your mail. Okay, so I'm going to go for a new message. So I want to show how I can use my address book. So I'm going for a new message, and this time instead of typing in the address, I'm going to click on the word to. And what that does, it brings you back into your contact lists there that you're after creating. So I want you to go down then to my name and click the plus sign beside it. And what happens is my name will move from here up into the to box. Now take a print screen of that and put it in to use an address book. Go back over. Now over here, and it's a wee bit hard to see, but there is a wee close button. So click on the close button and it just comes up then like a normal email. So my name's there, add in a subject, database. You can put in whatever subject you want. So write me a message. Hi Sharon, will you be doing some videos for database? Question mark. Regards. Put in your name. Take a print screen. Back over. Paste it in underneath there. Back over and discard. And okay. So scrolling on down, I've done that one. Now create a folder with and add an email with an attachment. This is on to the last one I have to do. So I have to create a folder in my email box. Now up here on the side of your left hand side of your inbox, you should have an option folders. If you right click on it, so right click with your mouse button, create a new folder. And what it will do is down towards the bottom of the screen, it will give you a blank folder. So type in ASICT and click away so it stays there. Now, I want you to go back to your inbox. I want you to look for emails that I have sent you. Then I want you to go on to the email I have sent you. So pick a few of them, drag them. So hold your mouse down in the middle of the email, drag it across to ASICT, and it will drop into it. So now in that folder is ASICT. So I want you to drag, I've sent you quite a few emails, so drag them across. Print screen, paste it into the box, create a folder, and that is your emails all complete. Okay, so if you can get them done and sent in to me. Thank you.